Hey all, this is Alex from Breadapp, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial today because if you're anything like me, you have an Android, and you're probably holding your bread tokens in either MetaMask or Myetherwallet. So I want to make a quick video for when the next month happens and we have full ERC20 support on all bread apps across the globe. It doesn't matter if it's Apple or Android. So that way, I'm going to be doing this myself. I'm going to be moving my bread tokens from my Myetherwallet to my Breadapp as soon as the Android has the support for the bread token. So again, let's go over a quick little overview. Some of you, this will be something you do every day, but a lot of you, you've probably never done this before. So look at this as not just a tutorial of how to send bread tokens, but also a tutorial of how to send any ERC20 token from my Myetherwallet to any other wallet that has ERC20 support. So as you can see on the screen right now, I've logged into my Myetherwallet, and there's a couple quick things I just want to show. First off, over here on your account address, this is your Ethereum address. And whenever you're sending any ERC20 token to my Myetherwallet, you're going to send it to this Ethereum address. It doesn't matter what it is. Bread tokens, First Blood, Loki, has no difference. It will all load up if you send it to this Ethereum address. Pardon my dog. So you can see your account balance in Ethereum. If you go down a little bit, you'll see your token balances. So this is when you send tokens to it, you'll start to see it. And although they don't always pop up, sometimes you have to click load. You'll start to see them all pop up. Some I have, some I don't. I don't have every coin in the world. But the main point to look at is, for instance, bread. You have to add a custom token. But once you've added a custom token, you'll see your bread right here. And the reason you do that is because it allows you to click right here and choose which currency you want to send. So in this case, we're going to send bread. And I'm going to send it to an individual that I want to send one bread to. So you'll populate his Ethereum address. In this case, it's his Ethereum address on his bread beta wallet. So this is his address, amount to send. Let's send him one just for trial purposes, right? We want to make sure we're sending bread. That's correct. Now the gas limit will automatically update based on how fast or how clogged the Ethereum system is. So sometimes you'll see it be lower, sometimes you'll see it be higher, but it tries to just do an aggregate of whatever's fastest. So this should happen and he should get access to these bread tokens pretty damn quick. So we're going to go ahead and generate transaction. We see our raw transaction and our signed transaction. Don't touch those. And then just go ahead and hit send transaction. And this is the last part of it. So it's really just an overview. Telling you who you're sending it to from your address, no Ethereum, we're sending bread, the gas limit, the gas price, and at the very bottom, you're about to send one bread to this address. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes, I'm sure. So then you'll get a green bar at the bottom that says this transaction has been broadcast, should be good to go. You can check the transaction status or verify the transaction, but he should get it within a minute or less. Ethereum's a really, really quick, smart contract. So now he should have his bread. We're done. So this has just been a really brief overview of how to send your, well, really any ERC20 token, but in this case, bread, to a bread address or to a wallet that has full ERC20 support. I hope this has been helpful. We'll be doing a lot of tutorials like this as we continue to come out with more and more features. Make sure to check out our YouTube page, which we're building up right now, so that way whenever anybody needs some help, we can push you right to a quick tutorial where we show you exactly what to do. Once again, my name is Alex from Breadapp, and cheers.